So, ayun guys. Tayo'y mag-elemental power. Nandito ako sa aking base. Mag-ano muna tayo dito. Ba't walang nalabas? Yun. Tumad guys yung aking yung power ko. Yung transform. Yun na. Ayaw. Yun. Kalbo. Nagkabuhok na. Walang may panot. Mabilis daw to eh.
Yo, guys, let's see who can find the golden bracelet hiding in this jar. Challenger, are you ready to give it a try? I picked this green jar. Let's see what's hiding in the jar. Oh, there's a note inside. It says, a cute little piggy. Here you go, Lolo. Your cute little piggy. Oh, it looks so funny. And kind of yummy, too. Yum, yum, tasty.
Now it's my turn. I picked the blue jar.
Okay, now it's your turn. Quick.
Wow, it's a water gun. Wait, weren't you the one who beat me
Ito
last
na yung
time?
kailangan.
Take this. Oh, no, why isn't it working? Wait, don't worry. I'll fix it right now. Now it's my turn. I'll pick this tiny cup jar. Oh, what's inside? Oh, wow, a slip. And it says, lots of yummy non-veg food.
Here you go. Your big non-veg meal. So
Pambabaril ako!
ready to finish it.
Wow, this much food. I can feed all the guests at my wedding. Which one should I pick? Not this, not that. Okay, I'll just take the biggest one.
Comes out of this big one.
Wow, it says $2,099.
Here you go. Take your $2,099.
Yay! I'm totally going to the salon for a makeup day. I'll pick this yellow one. Whoa, it's super heavy.
Yo, girl, squad
Walang
up.
Wait, there's one yellow
signal.
inside.
Hey, just look carefully one more time.
Whoa, the golden bracelet is on my hand now.
Son, I'm Jesus. Don't scroll past you beanie pizza nini.
Yan. Na-trap na ako guys. Di ako makalis. Naganto na guys ako. Ang angas natin. Ito na lang natatapos ang video.